Good morning students. In this video we will see exercise 9a. The first question is write the integral and decimal part of the following decimal fractions. So here you can see 10.7. In fractions also we have seen about in mixed fractions that whole part will be the integral part and the fractions will be the fractional part. Similarly here also in decimals this 10 will be the whole part and here this 0.7 will be the decimal part. Two parts are there. So this one will be the integral part and this after this decimal point whatever digits will come, so all will comes under the decimal part. So maybe for example 50.045. In that 50 is the integral part because that is the whole number part, integral part, and 0.045. This is actually the fractional part, so we call it as a decimal part here. 0.045. Okay. And the second question is write as common fraction. When the numbers in decimal is given and we have to convert into common fraction, how you will convert? Here you can see 0.32. 0.32 means, so here after the decimal point 1/10 and 1/100th is there, right? So two digits are there, two decimal places are there. So what you have to do, first step you remove this decimal point and write as it is. It means 032 by 100, right? 032 by 100. When you will remove the decimal point it will become 032. So 032 only I have written as 32 because 0 doesn't have any value here, so I neglect that 0, so 32. And here if after the decimal point two places are there, right? 1/10 1/100th, so we need to put two zeros in the denominator. Okay, after the decimal point how many digits are there, that number of zeros you have to add in the denominator. Now here you can see 0.092. So 0.092, how you can write it as this one, 0092. Just remove the decimal point and write as it is. Then after the decimal point how many how many digits are there? 1 2 3. Three digits are there, so you have to put three zeros in the denominator. Okay, one you put, then after that three zeros. So 92 by 1000 will be the answer. If for example 6.06 will be the question. So how you will convert into common fraction? First remove the decimal point and write as it is, then 606. Then divided by, because after the decimal point how many digits are there? Two digits are there, so you have to add two zeros in the denominator. 1/10 1/100th, so divided by 100. Okay. The next question 99.009. Here also you remove the decimal point and write as it is. Then you will write it in fraction 99.0009 divided by. So after the decimal point count how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. So four digits are there, so you have to add four zeros in the denominator. 1 1 2 3 4. So 10,000. This will be the answer. So in this way we need to convert the decimals into common fractions. Okay, so the next question is how we'll write it as the fractions as decimal fraction. Okay, here in fractions the questions are given, you need to convert into decimals. For example 27 by 10. Now the first question is 27 by 10. Just now you can write the whatever in the numerator, you write that one and you just see the denominator. If 1 0 is there, then you have to put decimal point before one digit. You need to start from the rightmost, okay, not from the leftmost. You need to start from rightmost, that last one. So one before one digit, before 7 you have to put the decimal point. If 750 is by 1000 is given, then what you have to do, 750 you just write like this, then 1 2 3, three zeros are there in the denominator, so you should put the decimal point before three digits. So from last you have to count 1 2 3. So before three digits when you will put the decimal point it will become like 0.750. So 0.750 you can write it like 0.750. Okay, so 0.750. And one more thing I am saying, after the decimal point, if in the end in the last zeros will be there, you can neglect it after the decimal point only. Okay, so here you can see 0 is there, this one you can neglect it and you can write it as 0.75 also, no issues. Okay, so both are correct, you can write like this 0.75. And see here, mixed fraction is given. So mixed fraction you can convert into improper fraction as usual, we have seen in the previous chapter. So convert into improper fraction, then after that 57 by 10. So just what you can do, 1 0 is there, so you put the decimal point before one digit, so before 757. Otherwise you can do like this also. Now 5 7 by 10 is there, right? 5 7 by 10. So this 5 you just as an integral part keep like this, plus this 7 by 10 only you convert into decimal, this fractional part. This fractional part, how you will convert 7 by 10? 1 0 is there, so before one digit you will put point, so 0.7, that means 0.7, right? 5 plus 0.7, this is nothing but 5.7, so the answer will come 5.7. So you can directly convert this fractional part into decimal part, and you can add with the whole part also, integral part. Otherwise you can convert into improper fraction and you can change that to decimal part also. Okay, same here also, you can write like this improper fraction also. Otherwise 39 by 100, 0.39, so 10 plus 0.39, that is 10.39. in that way also you can write. So here also same thing, 8, this one you can write less 1 2 3 digits are there, so before 3 digits you will put point, 0.397. So 8 plus 0.397 is 8.397. Okay students, so in that way we need to convert the fractions into decimal fractions. So these are all about the first three questions. So next questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.